Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today I got an awesome gift in the mail from Germany. So this gift comes from Arthur Brehm, Bushcraft, Survival, EDC, Knives, Gear, and Fun. And if you remember, a few months ago, Arthur sent us a gift from Germany, and there were some items in there that were broken. So let's open this package up, and we'll see what we have in it. I guess that's not going to work. So let me just open it and show you what we have. I have this knife that came from Germany, from my good friend Arthur. So I haven't opened the package. I have a pretty good idea of what's in it, but with Arthur, there's no telling. Here's what we have here. Oh, wow. This is totally awesome. Look at this. Man, it's got Nina's name on it. And Arthur got these, his wife Chantel, and Junior got these when they were on vacation at the North Sea. And he had sent some cups before and they didn't make it. But man, obviously they made it this time. Look at that. Wow. So there's no fighting. Nina's got her cup. I've got my cup. So no fighting between Nina and I. And that's it. I really appreciate this, Arthur. This was totally awesome. Okay guys, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna put Arthur's link in the description. He's got an awesome channel. He does MRE reviews, as Arthur says, only on Sunday. And he does gear review, he does knife reviews, flashlights, just an awesome channel. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching.